Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to another Tajweed tips and tricks tutorial. In this lesson, we're focusing all our energy on page 3 of the Safar Abridged Qaidah, which is assorted letters. So I'm going to run through all the letters, correct recognition, correct pronunciation. Please have a practice of this page before watching this video, which I'm sure you have had. If you haven't, please stop, pause it, and go through the page yourself before then coming back and watching this video. That way you can check how you're doing in terms of your understanding and of or your pronunciation as well. Okay, so here goes from box number 1 going across all the way to box number 10, and then carrying on all the way down the lines. Alif, Dal, Ra, Hamza, Ta, Ha, Waw, Sin, Kha, Ain. Box number 11. Sad, Kaf, Noon, Ba, Ra, Mim, Fa, Dhal, Tha, Lam. Box 21. Dad, Za, Jim, Qaf, Shin, Ghain, Ta, Ha, Ra, Ya. We're on box 31 now. This letter is Sin, Ra, Hamza, Ba, Sad, Jim, Ra, Kha, Dal, Dad. Box 41. Ya, Dhal, Ta, Shin, Fa, Kaf, Alif, Ta, Ha, Ha. The difference between 49 and 50. Read 49 again. Ha. Box number 50 is Ha. We're on box 51 now. Ain, Qaf, Noon, Waw, Mim, Tha, Ghain, Za, Jim, Lam. Box 61. Ha, Dad, Qaf, Ta, Ha, Sad, Noon, Kaf, Ba, Waw. Box 71. Dhal, Hamza, Ghain, Sin, Fa, Dal, Shin, Ta, Alif, Mim. And box 81, the last line, starting with Noon, Va, Jim, Za, Kha, Ain, Ya, Tha, Qaf, Lam. That's the full page. So the best way to get good at this is to have somebody point out random letters for you, and you have to basically read it, or you could just do it yourself. Point at random ones yourself and read them yourself. Either way, inshallah, it should help you improve your recognition of the letters before moving on to these are the what I call the capital letters. So all the letters in the alphabet, they're the capital letters. When we move on and we start looking at how the words are made up with the joint letters, then the forms and the letters start changing, and that's what we're going to be looking at in the identity map for the next lesson, inshallah. Okay, so see you then, inshallah. Jazakumullahu khairan. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.